Welcome back to Core Tech. Today we're exploring GoPro's latest evolution in immersive capture, the 2026 GoPro MAX2. Designed for creators who want flexibility, durability, and cinematic 360-degree footage, the MAX2 pushes action cameras beyond traditional boundaries. Whether you're filming extreme sports or everyday moments, this camera aims to capture it all from every angle. Refined design and durability, 2026 GoPro MAX2. The 2026 GoPro MAX2 builds on the rugged design GoPro is known for, featuring a more compact body with reinforced materials for improved durability. It's fully waterproof without a housing, making it ready for underwater adventures, rain, and harsh environments. The redesigned lens covers offer better protection while maintaining clarity, ensuring the camera survives demanding shoots. 360-degree video and image quality, 2026 GoPro MAX2. At the core of the 2026 GoPro MAX2 is its enhanced 360-degree capture system. Upgraded sensors deliver sharper detail, improved dynamic range, and better low-light performance. Footage feels smoother and more immersive, allowing creators to reframe shots in post-production without losing quality. This flexibility makes the MAX2 ideal for storytelling and creative experimentation. Stabilization and horizon lock, 2026 GoPro MAX2. Stabilization is a major highlight of the 2026 GoPro MAX2. GoPro's latest hypersmooth technology works seamlessly with horizon lock to keep footage level, even during intense movement. Whether mounted on a helmet, bike, or handheld, videos remain steady and professional-looking, reducing the need for additional stabilization equipment. Creative modes and shooting options, 2026 GoPro MAX2. The 2026 GoPro MAX2 introduces expanded creative modes that make content creation easier and more engaging. Time warp, slow motion, and single-lens hero modes allow users to switch styles instantly. Voice control and intelligent auto modes help capture the perfect shot without manual adjustments, making the camera accessible to beginners and pros alike. Audio performance and spatial sound, 2026 GoPro MAX2. Audio quality receives a significant upgrade on the 2026 GoPro MAX2. Multiple microphones capture immersive spatial sound that matches the 360-degree visuals. Wind reduction and improved noise filtering ensure clear audio even in outdoor environments, making the camera suitable for vlogging, travel videos, and action sports. Battery life and connectivity, 2026 GoPro MAX2. Battery performance is improved on the 2026 GoPro MAX2, offering longer recording times compared to its predecessor. Fast charging support minimizes downtime between shoots. Connectivity is seamless, with quick wireless transfers and an intuitive mobile app that simplifies editing, reframing, and sharing content directly to social platforms. Use cases and everyday versatility, 2026 GoPro MAX2. The 2026 GoPro MAX2 excels in versatility. From extreme sports and travel to vlogging and social media content, it adapts to a wide range of use cases. Its ability to capture everything at once allows creators to focus on the moment rather than framing the shot. Final verdict, 2026 GoPro MAX2. The 2026 GoPro MAX2 stands out as a powerful and flexible 360-degree action camera. With improved image quality, rock-solid stabilization, enhanced audio, and creative freedom, it's an excellent choice for creators looking to push boundaries. For immersive storytelling in 2026, the MAX2 delivers a compelling and future-ready experience.